Hi everybody, it's Sarah.
Jolly and Otis.
And today we have a popcorn tasting for the Popcorn Lady of PA, who's a local popcorn maker from New Oxford. And we have 4 different flavors to try. We have chocolate peanut butter, funnel cake, caramel, and then I think the most unique flavor we have is watermelon. What do you guys want to try first?
Watermelon.
Want to try watermelon?
Watermelon. I love watermelon popcorn. Of course I would like it.
You think? I don't. You've never had it before, so how do you know you love it?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah,
All right. Grab a piece.
Oh,
Yeah, it's gonna be sticky. There you go. There you go. Another one?
Actually, really good. Oh, this is really good. Really good. Really good.
It tastes like Kix.
Yeah. It's better than number one man.
It tastes like cereal. Like
Yeah.
seriously, get some milk out and pour it on that, and that it would taste just like Kix.
Yeah, I would
Okay,
make.
really good.
Yeah.
I like that.
You should have this again.
Okay, that's really good. What do you want to try next? You want to try caramel?
You definitely should buy watermelon.
If I can get it open. Oh, you got it. Okay, hold on, wait. All right, go ahead. All right, bud, grab a piece.
It's actually really good. It barely has taste.
That's what I was just thinking. It doesn't really have a. I mean, it's salty, but I'm not tasting caramel.
It kind of tastes like a chocolate. Yeah, it kind of tastes like a cookie. It's kind of like a cookie.
I'm not getting a lot of flavor out of that one.
Yeah, I really don't like that one.
It's okay. I mean,
Yeah, I like when I get.
you want to try another one? All right, bud.
It's good.
You like that one? That one can be yours. All right, you guys want to try chocolate peanut butter next? Okay, wait.
I always like this.
Okay, now you go ahead.
So that's one of my favorites, watermelon.
Your favorite's watermelon. Let's see. You don't like that one?
I like it.
Okay.
I like it. Oh, it's no, I like it.
I like it.
I like it. It's really actually good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Put that back. You can have some more of that later, okay?
Come on, it's so good. That way.
You can have more later. Hold on. I'm
Yeah.
gonna try this one. I'm gonna try the funnel cake.
The left one. Yeah.
No, we have to get Daddy to try this one too, because he's the funnel cake lover.
Yeah.
Okay, Charlie, grab one. Otis. Oh, let's see.
Vanilla donut.
You think this is vanilla donut?
I just picked the vanilla donut. It's all over the floor.
Basically, it's okay, babe. Just put it on the floor. Basically, just tasting the powdered sugar. I don't really taste funnel cake.
I taste the donut.
Babe, you want to try some and see if you like it?
This is my second favorite.
What's Daddy think?
It tastes like a stale funnel cake.
Yeah, think so? Okay, so what was your favorite? Watermelon? What was your favorite? You like that one. The one you weren't sure if you liked at first. Yeah?
Yeah, wait a minute.
You like the watermelon? I think my favorite was the watermelon too. The flavor that you're not really kind of sure on, that one was actually the best.
Yeah.
I mean, I really liked the peanut butter with milk chocolate, but the watermelon is surprisingly really good.
Yeah.
we'll have to try that out again. And like I said, this is a local company. I actually picked it up at work. And this lady basically just makes this stuff in her house. So it's a local business. I think you can find them at the farmers markets around here and other small businesses.
It's so
So-
good.
Give her a go. It's pretty good. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
I hope you have a good day.